A number of people have asked me about the future of Convergent Media. You know, we're starting here, Kel's Convergent, with Does God Give Dreams to 50-year-olds? That's where we're starting, but that is certainly not the end point. Kel's will be creating Convergent Media resources that we will be selling to the general public. So it is Convergent Media for the 21st century, interactive publishing for the 21st century. That's what Kel's is all about. But there's more than that. For years and years now, I have been a book editor and I have helped people create books, anywhere from a former president of the United States, Jimmy Carter, to business people, to theologians, to, I mean, it's a guy who was at the forefront of rockabilly, which was a fun one. What I have done is help them take their information and create a book out of it. They either don't have the time to write or they don't have the ability to write, and so they hire me to help them create books. We want to do the same thing with Convergent Media. That is going to be Hothouse Convergent. Hothouse Convergent will do essentially the same thing with Convergent Media things that I did with books. So when I help somebody take their information, their content, and create a book out of it, now instead of making a book out of it, we will be making a Convergent Media resource, which is far more compelling. So it will have videos, it will have audio, it will have maybe game-like things, it will have interactive stuff. But what happens, that isn't Kel's, we're not publishing that as their publisher. They are coming to us and they're saying, Steve, I need a PR thing, or I need a marketing thing, or I need a training thing. We will take our expertise, take their content and get more content if we need to, create videos or that kind of thing, or if they already have it, put them together in a Convergent Media package so that when their audience gets this thing, they get to play with this in the same way that they would with our own stuff. But this is not our publishing, this is theirs. So these are some of my former authors coming to me. These are large organizations coming to me. These are whatever it is who really wants a Convergent Media piece for their place. One example. I won't tell you the name of the organization, but it's a large one, it's a company. They came to me and they have been expanding a lot in the last few years. They wanted to give new people an idea of what their history was like, where they are now, and maybe where they saw going. And so I helped them write a book for that. But as I'm working on that, I'm thinking, how much more powerful and intriguing and compelling would it be if this thing was actually a Convergent Media resource, where yes, you have text to tell some of the story, but you also have videos from the founders. You have little pieces from the people who are in charge now, the CEO, the president, whatever. It shows them what they do. It goes into the factory and shows them how that works. All of these different elements interacting together to tell the story. I can almost guarantee you that especially new employees are going to spend far much longer in that and understand the company and its mission better than they would with a book. Books are great, and I'm not putting down books, but Convergent Media is a different thing.